I'm gonna hold it up and watch how fast the color changes. They're beautiful. Let's show them how fast your color changes. And it comes from the top down. It's starting to get dark in there. The whole fish will turn dark. You're beautiful. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm gonna let you go. See the yellow's going out of them. The dark spreading down. You can still see your pretty blue gills though. Yes, we can. Oh, you are beautiful. Hey, no more bright down here. I don't know how fast that was, but it wasn't very long.